one, not political. I cannot take away the credit from Kwankwaso that yes, he's a leader of repute. What he has done to me personally is that I have related with him very well. My mother, my blood mother, Hajia Zainab, is from his village. He knows her. I know his mother. We relate closely. But simply because I am now a disciple and a student of Ganduje, when my dad died, up to today, Kwankwaso did not find it worthy to come to my community, to a family of over 200 people, whom he knows one by one, to say, I am sorry, I came to condole with you that we have lost our father. 4 years now. This is my problem with Kwankwaso. It has nothing to do with politics. I can abuse him to hell. It is all about I am not happy. Kwankwaso did not respect the integrity of my family and the respect he should have for my father. But with this or without this, I cannot take away the sterling qualities in him as a leader. Tell Kwankwaso, go and tell Kwankwaso that if he could today, if he can pick his phone, call me to tell me that Ado Dogwa, the leader of the House of Reps, my name is Rabi Musa Kwankwaso. I have a second thought. I think it's uncharitable that your dad is now passed away and I have not condoled you. I want to say, forgive me, and I want to say, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant Al-Hajj Ado Al-Jannah Firdausi, and you please forgive me. I will forgive Kwankwaso once and for all, and I will never fight him anymore. He can do his politics, I will do my politics, without let or without hindrance. But if Kwankwaso decides to continue this way, to keep quiet in the face of the days of my father, he knows my father. There was a time he lived and stayed in my father's house, not to sleep anyway, but because of me, he has been coming to my house, lived in the parlor, just like his own parlor. And my father is an elder statesman because even in those days, as a PRP man, he was a member of the State Assembly during Abubakar Rimi, and Kwankwaso still feels he cannot come to say, sorry, your dad is passed away, your dad is late, may Allah give him a Jannah. This is an offense. This is an assault that I can never forget. I can only forget to say sorry. And one funny thing that I want to tell you is not funny. It is humble. It is humility. It is humility. It is morality. It is patience. That 4 years after my dad passed away, he also lost his father. To God who created me, I went myself alone. I went to his family. I went to meet his mothers and sisters and brothers to say, I am sorry I learned our father, Alhaji Musa Kwankwaso, Majida in Kano, has passed away. So I came to pray for him. May Allah give him Al-Jannah Firdaus. That is what we are taught in Islam. If somebody slaps you here, give him the other side to slap. If you slap the second place, then get a loaf of bread, or get a date, or sweet, or chocolate, and dash him. That is the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am proud today to say that I have discharged the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when somebody did not condole me on the loss of my father, but I went to his family and condoled him on the loss of his father.